The excavator, a symbol of industrial might, is not merely a simple machine but a complex piece of engineering, combining mechanics, hydraulics and electronics. The development of excavators has undergone many stages, from the rudimentary machines of the past to the intelligent, modern machines of today. The first excavators appeared in the late 19th century, primarily used in the mining industry, powered by steam and with low efficiency. The advent of the internal combustion engine brought about a major advancement, making excavators more powerful and versatile, with diesel-powered excavators gradually replacing steam-powered ones. The hydraulic system revolutionized excavator operations, allowing for precise and powerful maneuvers, and hydraulic excavators became the standard in the construction and mining industries. Currently, electronic and automation technologies are integrated into excavators, enhancing performance and safety, with GPS systems, sensors, and remote controls enabling more accurate and efficient operations. Technological advancements such as electronic control systems, GPS and positioning systems, sensor and warning systems, and fuel-saving technologies are being widely adopted. The future of excavators will see them becoming increasingly intelligent and automated, with the ability to operate independently in some cases. The widespread adoption of electrification and renewable energy technologies to minimize environmental impact, and the integration of excavators with smart construction management systems to optimize project timelines and costs. The excavator is not only a labor tool but also an indispensable part of the modern economy. The development of excavators has been and continues to drive social progress, build monumental structures, and extract valuable resources. Excavator operations. Excavators are heavy construction equipment widely used in construction, mining, and agriculture. Here's some basic information about excavator operations. Main uses: digging soil, rock, and minerals. This is the most common use of excavators. They are used for digging building foundations, digging canals and ditches, and mining minerals. Leveling ground. Excavators help level rough terrain, creating a flat surface for construction projects. Loading and unloading materials. Excavators can be used to load and unload construction materials such as sand, gravel, and cement. Demolishing structures. Excavators can be equipped with attachments such as gravels and hydraulic breakers to demolish old structures. Lifting heavy objects. Some excavators can be equipped with lifting devices to move heavy objects. Operating principles. Excavators operate on a hydraulic system. The engine provides power to the hydraulic pump, which pushes hydraulic oil to the hydraulic cylinders. The hydraulic cylinders act on the machine's components, such as the
robust engine and high-performance hydraulic system. This loader effortlessly handles heavy-duty tasks. In this video, you'll witness the Doosan DX215 digging and loading soil into a dump truck. Its speed and efficiency make it a time saver for operators. Enjoy the video. For any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.
The bright orange excavator stands out against the brown glare and rock, indicating it's operating in a mining or construction area. Asterisk, the excavator's bucket is digging into the hillside, suggesting it's performing excavation work. Asterisk, the environment around the excavator is quite rugged with lots of dirt and rock, indicating this is a construction site or mining area. An excavator, also known as a digger, is a versatile piece of heavy construction equipment widely used in various fields, especially in the construction and mining industries. Main uses: asterisk, digging soil, rock, sand, gravel. Excavators are designed to dig and move large quantities of soil, rock, sand, gravel, and other loose materials quickly and efficiently. Asterisk, loading and transporting materials. In addition to digging, excavators can also load the excavated material and transport it over short distances, saving time and effort. Asterisk, leveling ground. Excavators are also used to level the ground, creating flat and even surfaces. Asterisk, digging foundations, ditches in construction. Excavators play an important role in digging foundations for structures and digging ditches for drainage systems. Asterisk, demolishing structures. Excavators can be equipped with special tools to demolish old structures, making way for new construction. Operating principles. Excavators operate based on mechanical and hydraulic principles. Asterisk, boom. The excavator's boom is attached to the bucket and can move flexibly thanks to the hydraulic system. Asterisk, bucket. The bucket is the part that directly contacts the material to be excavated. Asterisk, hydraulic system.